In this video, I'd like to introduce you to our support sites that we now have available for purchase. These sites can be purchased by purchase order through your sales rep, or if you go to the SITECH Southwest or sitechsw.retrieve.com/store, these will show up. You'll have the ability to go ahead and just buy them by putting in a credit card or a PayPal account and have access to these sites for a year. Each one of these sites have an enormous amount of information in them. The one I'll show you first will be the drone flight prep and processing. If I click on Open Guide here, what you'll see will be the videos that you'll have access to, as well as you'll be able to get announcements and also ask for advice, where you can send me files, send me questions. I can answer them back. We can also work on setting up a live session to go over things. So here you'll see that there's a series of videos in here. We have a series of videos that cover the Phantom 4 RTK. On the processing, here's all your steps to go from office flight prep to creating your plane clouds and everything inside Business Center. Then we have the flight planning guide. The flight planning guide will kind of give you an outline of different things to do for your drone flights. We have the Wingtra setup in TBC, how to process the Wingtra in Business Center and in UAS Master. The P1 office prep. Now, there isn't much here in regards to the P1. We've been having a lot of sales with the L1, but a lot of the L1 setups from 1 through 1D all follow the same premise for the P1. Then we talk about the processing of the L1. I will be putting up some videos in here that will deal with the drone flight processing in Business Center for the P1. Then we talk about how to create a stacked file, how to do multiple flights, and I will be putting up like 4 more videos to this by the middle of next week. The next site that we have available is our SITECH Southwest full support. This is Business Center support. If I come in and open up this guide, you'll see here that there's hundreds of hours of content in here, how to create a 3D PDF. This one shows how to take a surface that's in 3D and you can send it out to the field in a PDF format. You're able to spin it, measure on it, and do things like that. I'm also will be dropping one in here that will also be used for the piping. So you'll be able to have your piping in 3D, and it will have slopes and dimensions and things like that on it that you can then share with your field crew. How to do different things with alignments. So you can see we have a bunch of different alignments, building excavations, create point files, plot sheets, copy a project. Just about everything that you can imagine that you deal with on a daily basis in Business Center is in here. I'm also always adding updates in here based upon questions that I get from tech support or a ongoing consistent issue that I'm seeing, and how do we handle certain issues for that is all in here. Again, you're going to be able to see announcements, ask me questions, and things like that in here. So these are the 2 key sites that we have up and running for support. Again, you could ask your sales rep for this. You can get access to it by your company submitting a PO, or you can just jump on in, go to the site, and then put in a credit card or pay by PayPal and get instant access for a year. All of this site is viewable for a year, and that will get you access to anything that I do within the year. So hopefully you found this video helpful, interesting. If you have any questions on the support site, please reach out to your SITECH rep, or you can reach out to me personally to find out more information on how to get access and what else this site will be able to do for you. Thanks.